Hey moms! Are you a new mother and wondering how to use a breast pump the right way? Here are quick tips. Baby bottles start breastfeeding within the first hour of birth. Droplet drink lots of water and eat a balanced diet. Breastfeeding hold your baby in a comfortable position. Soap always clean the pump before and after use. Electric plug if using an electric pump, start on a low setting. Floppy disk store milk in a clean bottle and refrigerate immediately. Breastfeeding is beautiful, natural, and powerful. Sparkling heart like, share, and follow for more mom tips.